I'm Joe Rivas.
And I'm Taylor Kaiser.
Welcome to our presentation of Discourse Communities. Today, Taylor and I will be guiding you on two professional organizations that represent our future careers. We will explore the American Federation of Teachers, aka AFT, and IEEE Computer Society.
Both communities show how professionals communicate, share knowledge, and build their careers. Using Dan Meltzer's framework, we'll show you how each group fits the 6 characteristics of a discourse community. As an aspiring English teacher, I chose the American Federation of Teachers. It represents 1.8 million members and boasts famous members such as John Dewey and Albert Einstein. The AFT's goals include advocating for fair wages, better benefits, and strong educational policies. They focus on increased federal and state funding for public education. They want to ensure equity for all students, regardless of vocation. They push for fair pay and benefit for educators. The AFT uses specialized terms like collective bargaining, which is a process to negotiate things like wages and benefits, Title I funding, which are federal funds provided to schools with low income students, and resolutions, which are formal policy statements. They communicate through policy briefs, research reports, and union contracts.
Hi, everyone. I chose the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers as my professional discourse community organization, and this technical community would be the Computer Society. Hi, everyone. I chose the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers as my professional discourse community organization, and this technical community would be the Computer Society. This organization has a shared mission to advance computing for humanity, uh, and the slogan is Tech for Humanity. It drives it drives technology and policy and mechanisms of communication from AI to quantum computing. Communication mechanisms um, revolve around about 180 conferences worldwide to local chapters and has technical communities, webinars, and a digital library called Explore, available to students, novices, uh, intermediate practitioners, and professional experts. Some of the genres for technical communication, or where some of the technical writing genres are the IEEE 801X. That that documentation is particularly relevant because it describes the protocols and procedures that are fundamental to the network architecture of security systems and cloud platforms for interportability and Wi-Fi security systems. Such functions of um, this documentation are to engage to set the rules across different um, industries, making sure that everybody plays by the rules, and if we play nice, um, we can keep driving innovation forward and to for generations to come. Now, some of the specialized lexes are terms that are frequently mentioned, but however, they're not just terms. They are driving the future by describing like The standards such as end-to-end encryption or or security multi-party computation, which ensures that government agencies or the private sector is able to communicate securely across SMPCs, and cutting edge technology of ethical and concise computation, where sensitive information is sensitive, such as healthcare or finance. Another term, another lexis that is frequently used is fault tolerance, where a system can still continue working even if multiple of its components are down, and has a threshold as a professional organization. It encompasses about 450,000 members, and of its members, the Computer Society is 375,000. Compare and contrast these two communities. Both AFT and IEEE share common goals to support their members and promote professional development.
That's right, Joe. The AFT focuses on advocacy and educational policies, while the IEEE concentrates on setting global standards and research. Despite these differences in Lexis and mission, they both ultimately advocate for a better humanity.
Yes, Taylor. When it comes to genres, AFT communicates through policy briefs, resolutions, and newsletters, while IEEE uses white papers, technical standards that vary across multiple industries, and peer-reviewed journals.
And since the IEEE mainly focuses on technical standards regarding cybersecurity, the AFT focuses on teachers' rights and unions. You would imagine the language differs too. The AFT's terms revolve around labor rights and basic educational needs, while the IEEE's language is highly technical and industry specific.
You're right. Despite these differences, both organizations rely heavily on formal writing, expert feedback, and clear communication to achieve their mission. Both support a range of experience level and encourage growth through mentorship and learning. Ultimately, both discourse communities play essential roles in shaping their respective fields and supporting their members in meaningful ways.
All right. In conclusion, researching AFT helped me realize how powerful collective voices can be in shaping educational policies and protecting student and teacher rights. It gave me a deeper respect for the role of advocacy in education.
And for me, immersing into IEEE revealed how precise and formal communication is vital to cybersecurity and social engineering. Understanding these genres and lexis used in the fields helped me to prepare for a more effective and, and formal security analysis career.
This project also showed me how professional communities help members grow, connect, and influence change. I feel more confident stepping into my future field with this understanding.